What if I told you that one of the most powerful anti-aging remedies on the planet has been sitting in your kitchen spice rack this whole time? No needles, no expensive creams, no dermatologist appointments, just a tiny, humble spice, and a simple gel you can make at home in under 10 minutes. I'm Jasmine from Skincare Loop, and today I'm sharing the exact clove and rosehip Botox gel that has gone viral for one very good reason. It actually works. And if you want the even deeper, slow-infused version of this recipe, I made a full dedicated video for that. It uses natural sunlight to infuse the cloves over 3 days, and it's incredibly effective. You'll find that link in the iCard at the top right of your screen, and it's also linked in the description box below. Go check it out after this. But if you need this tonight, keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll have the full recipe, the science behind it, and everything you need to start right now. This clove serum has been blowing up across TikTok and Facebook, and millions of people are talking about it for one reason: it works. Women in their 50s are reporting visibly firmer, smoother skin after just 3 weeks of consistent use. And I'm not going to sit here and promise you miracles. What I am going to give you is the real science behind why cloves do incredible things for aging skin. And this time, I've added one more ingredient that makes this recipe twice as powerful: rosehip oil. Once you understand why this combination works, you'll never look at your spice rack the same way again. Cloves contain a powerful compound called eugenol, and this is where the magic happens. Eugenol is one of the strongest natural antioxidants ever studied. Here's what it does to your skin. First, it fights free radicals. Free radicals are what break down your collagen over time. Collagen is what keeps your skin plump, tight, and youthful. Eugenol neutralizes these free radicals before they can do damage. Second, it boosts circulation. When you apply clove oil topically, it gently increases blood flow to the skin. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients delivered directly to your skin cells. That's why your skin looks genuinely glowing after use. Third, it has natural skin tightening properties. This is the so-called Botox effect people talk about. Clove temporarily tightens the skin, visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And fourth, it's deeply anti-inflammatory. Puffiness, redness, dull skin. Eugenol calms all of that down overnight. Now let's talk about rosehip oil, because this is the ingredient that elevates everything. Rosehip oil is clinically proven to contain vitamin A, vitamin C, and omega fatty acids. It actively reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation, naturally boosts collagen production, and deeply hydrates the skin without leaving it greasy. Clove firms and tightens. Rosehip regenerates and brightens. Together, they work on multiple layers of aging skin simultaneously in one simple jar. Here's everything you need, and I promise, all of this is easy to find. 2 tablespoons of whole cloves, 3 tablespoons of castor oil, thick, deeply nourishing, and perfect for mature skin. 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. This is our new addition, and it's a game changer. 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel, cooling, hydrating, and it helps the gel come together beautifully. And 1 vitamin E capsule, optional, but highly recommended, because it acts as a natural preservative and gives your skin an extra healing boost. That's it: simple, natural, and incredibly effective. One important thing: if any of these ingredients aren't easily available at your local store, don't worry. I've linked every single ingredient in the description box below, where you can find complete organic, trusted options. I only recommend what I actually use myself. Now let's make it. This takes less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Add your whole cloves and castor oil to a small saucepan. Set the heat to the absolute lowest setting. We are not frying, we are gently infusing. Let this sit on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. You'll watch the oil slowly turn golden and rich as the cloves release their eugenol directly into it. Step 2. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. Do not rush this step. Hot oil on skin can cause burns, and we want nothing but good things for your skin. Step 3. Once fully cooled, strain out the whole cloves. You want only the smooth, golden infused oil, no solids. Step 4. In a clean bowl, combine your clove-infused castor oil, the rosehip oil, and the aloe vera gel. Mix slowly and gently until you have a smooth, unified gel consistency. Step 5. Pierce your vitamin E capsule and squeeze it in. Give it one final gentle mix. Step 6. Transfer into a clean glass jar. Store in a cool, dry place. This keeps for up to 2 weeks. Your natural Botox gel is ready. Now, a quick note for those of you who want to go even deeper. I have a previous video where I showed a sunlight infusion method for this same clove serum. In that method, the cloves infuse naturally in sunlight over 3 full days, no heat, no shortcuts, and the result is an even richer, more potent oil if you have the time. That method is absolutely worth it. You can find that video linked in the iCard right now, or in the description box below. The steps are the same from there. Just swap in your sunlight-infused oil instead of the heat-infused one. Here's how to use it for the best results. Every night after cleansing your face, take a 5 to 6 drops and gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions. Focus on the areas where you see fine lines around the eyes, the forehead, smile lines, and the neck. Leave it on overnight, do not rinse it off. One very important step, always do a patch test before you begin. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist. Wait 24 hours and check for any reaction. Clove is a potent ingredient, and sensitive skin needs to build tolerance gradually. Start with every other night for the first week, then move to nightly use once your skin has adjusted. Consistency is everything with this. Give it 21 days. Most women start noticing results around day 10. Nature has been giving us the tools for beautiful skin for thousands of years. Sometimes the most powerful ingredients aren't sitting in a luxury jar at the department store. They're already in your kitchen. If you try this recipe, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me your results after 21 days. I personally read every single one. The full written recipe is on our website. The link is in the description, along with more natural skincare remedies just like this one. And don't forget, all the ingredient links are down there too, so you're just one click away from getting started. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Skincare Loop. We post new natural skincare recipes every single week. See you in the next video.